Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with football. Nigeria stunned co-host Australia 3-2 to join Canada at the top of Group B at the FIFA Women's World Cup in Brisbane, Australia earlier this morning. It was the Australians who took the lead in first half stoppage time through Emily Van Egmond, but moments later that was cancelled out by Uchenna Kanu. 2 goals in 7 minutes from Nigeria saw them extend the lead to 3-1. Alana Kennedy grabbed Australia's second goal in the 10th minute of stoppage time, but the result left them in danger of exiting at the round of 16 stage. The Matildas are third in the group and face Canada in their final group game on Monday. Nigeria need only a point against the out-of-contention Republic of Ireland to advance. Elsewhere, defending champions United States needed a 62nd minute goal from Lindsay Horan to eke out a 1-1 draw with the Netherlands in the top-of-the-table clash in Group E. In a repeat of the 2019 final, it was the Dutch who took the lead in the 17th minute through Jill Roord in a commanding first-half display in Wellington. Both teams are on 4 points atop the group, with the Americans ahead on goal difference. Elsewhere in the group, Portugal bounced back from their defeat to the Netherlands with a 2-0 win over Vietnam in Hamilton. Another spineless batting performance from the West Indies has them facing a heavy defeat against India in the first one-day international at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. The Windies were bamboozled by the spin of Kuldeep Yadav 4 for 6 and Ravindra Jadeja 3 for 37 to bundle out for 114 in 23 overs. Captain Shea Hope was the best of a struggling bunch with 43, while Alec Athanaze made 22 and the Jamaican Brandon King 17. 7 batters failed to cross double figures in the innings after the Caribbean team was inserted. India have since rushed on to 85 for 3 in 14.2 overs. They need 30 from 211 balls. The West Indies have not beaten India in an ODI series since 2006. Finally, Jamaica's senior women's volleyballers are just about taking the court to face the Bahamas in their final preliminary round match at the Kazova Championship in Suriname, looking to make it 4 wins from 4. The Jamaicans are the only unbeaten team remaining at the competition, following their 5-set win over defending champions Trinidad and Tobago on Wednesday. Jamaica were 2 sets to love up after a 25-14 and 25-23 wins, but watched as the champions copped the third and fourth sets 25-22 and 25-15. However, Jamaica held their nerve in the 5th set for a 16-14 margin. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.